Experiencing a T-Mobile home internet router that won't turn on is a common issue, often resolved with simple steps. First, ensure the power adapter is T-Mobile certified and properly connected. Unplug the router from the power outlet for 30 to 60 seconds. This power cycling clears temporary faults by resetting the device's capacitors, effectively mimicking a cold boot. Also, check for any visible damage to the power cable or router. If the router still fails to power on after these steps, move on to a factory reset. But note that environmental factors like lightning-induced surges can cause damage, so using a surge protector is important. If power cycling doesn't resolve the issue, perform a factory reset as the next step. Locate the reset button, typically a small pinhole on the router's back panel. With the router powered on, press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds until the lights flash, restoring original settings. This erases custom Wi-Fi settings, requiring reconfiguration through the T-Mobile app. As of late 2025, T-Mobile integrates AI-driven diagnostics for self-healing capabilities in future router models. T-Mobile is working on modular designs, allowing users to swap faulty components without full replacements. For persistent issues, contact T-Mobile support or consider router recycling programs.